Hello and welcome back to today's morning report. Chart appraisals on Monday the 11th of April with me, Richard Pro-Market Analyst at Hantec Markets. Let's look at cable now. And we've got this, what seems to be this continuation really of this range play, doesn't it? You continue to find the support that comes in around that 140.50 level, which although it was breached minorly to 40.004, basically that is the support coming in, and we're sort of seeing just another rebound off that. Now, you can see the consistent line of lower highs through this move in recent couple of months, and I think that just suggests to you that I mean you could argue that's a range play, but to be honest it's sort of a sloping sort of sequence of lower highs, so that would suggest selling pressure coming back in at lower and lower levels. You've seen a bit of a turnaround today, and that sort of has had a bit of an impact actually on the hourly chart. I've been talking about this 141.70 pivot in the last few days, and we've broken sharply through that, so arguably that actually now completes a little bit of a base pattern, 141.70. So you'd measure that from sort of 141.50, probably being a bit cautious because it is a bear market rally, so you'd want to err on the side of caution in terms of your upside target. So you take it sort of as about 120 ticks of upside move. That gives you 142.90 as your upside target, which, to be honest, doesn't do a great deal in terms of unwinding and improving the outlook. But there is sort of a possibility of an unwind back towards this sort of 55-day moving average. That's not beyond the realms of fantasy. 42.66. You're sort of about 100 ticks away from there. That upside target of 142.90 now. So there is possibility of further unwind in this move, and I think anything back towards sort of 55.60 is a chance to sell on cable. And if you on the RSI, if you see that, I think that would be giving you the opportunity to possibly look for a selling signal. Because I see these sequence of lower highs continuing, I think that the whole Brexit aspect will sort of continue to be a drag on cable lower, and I think that this little rally that we're going to have is still counter trend. I think it's going to give you a nice opportunity to go short again, but in the meantime we're just rallying, as I said, with this little bit of an unwinding move, and we can see possibly further move to the upside in due course. Now you've got the resistance that comes in around 42.40, and then 43.20 is a bit of a pivot bounce level as well. So a couple of levels you need to work with there on the resistance on the hourly chart, but certainly this improvement has gone, and there's a sort of built off support around 141 figure, but obviously there is that band of support 140.50 that remains in place. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.